When you create a business application, you often have to deal with many calculations that your system performs in real time. You end up spending a lot of time on developing functions when you could be doing other important things. But what if you had a fast, multitask computing engine at hand? HyperFormula is a calculation engine that allows you to perform complicated calculations with the highest efficiency. Regardless of whether you need simple calculations or complicated equations in your application, HyperFormula is a ready-to-implement calculation engine that contains them all. In addition, it is provided on an open-source license. HyperFormula offers an extensive library of functions, as well as a full API that you can use to write your own functions and integrate it with your product. HyperFormula can be used as an engine for all types of calculators and forms, from the simplest ones used in online education programs to more complex types seen in the financial and engineering industries. It can be used to create elements of rich text editors, sometimes called smart documents. Within your documents, you can embed spreadsheets and calculations, which updates automatically as you edit the content. HyperFormula does not have a UI and does not require one. Thanks to this, it can be easily integrated with any table, data grid, spreadsheet component on the market. HyperFormula not only understands and recalculates formulas, but supports such features as copy-paste support, multiple sheets, and CRUD operations. HyperFormula works as an independent JavaScript library. In other words, it does not need internet connection to run, so will not stop the user from using it in an offline mode. HyperFormula. Complex calculations made easy.